Video, we will learn how to download and use the Event Viewer software to download an event log from the Sapphire infusion pump. The Event Viewer software allows the review of the Sapphire pump operation history. The Sapphire pump stores up to 8,000 events in its event log memory, and the Event Viewer software is used for downloading, sorting, and filtering events by criteria such as description or date. The Event Viewer also allows users to export the event log as a CSV file. To use the Event Viewer software with the Sapphire infusion pump, you will need a computer with the Event Viewer software installed on it, a Sapphire communication cable, and an RS-232 USB to serial adapter. First step is to install the software on your computer. The software is available for you to download along with all other Sapphire PC tools on the FTP site. The access is limited to certified technicians only. Once you complete your training requirements, you will receive a username and password for the service portal, FTP site, and the different Sapphire PC tools. To learn more about how to access and use QCore's FTP site, watch the FTP overview video, which is available in the maintenance training presentation. Download the Event Viewer software from the FTP site. Open the installer and click Next to continue with the setup wizard. Read the QCore Event Viewer End User License Agreement and select the checkbox if the terms are accepted. Click Install to continue with the setup wizard. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. A dedicated Event Viewer folder with the Event Viewer software and its directions for use is created under C QCore bin, along with all other applications for use with the Sapphire infusion pump. Now that the software is installed, we can use the Event Viewer software to download event logs from a Sapphire infusion pump. First, turn the Sapphire pump on by pressing the On/Off button. Connect one end of the communication cable to the pump and the other to the RS-232 USB to serial adapter. Connect the adapter to the computer via the USB port. Note that some operating systems will require you to download the driver for the USB port. Please contact us to obtain the driver at service@qcore.com. Open the Event Viewer software. The RS-232 communication ports window appears with a list of available ports. Select the relevant port from the list and then click OK. The Event Viewer screen appears, displaying the serial number and software version of the pump in the upper left corner. The Event Viewer indicates its operating status. Wait for the status to show ready for loading and then click on Load from Pump to start the loading process. The pump should remain on during this process. Do not turn it off until loading is completed. When the status changes to Loading Complete, all events have been downloaded. To export the event log as a CSV file, click on Export to Excel to save the file in a directory of your choice. Once completed, you can disconnect the pump from computer and then exit the Event Viewer software. If the event log was requested by QCore, it should be attached to an email and sent to service@qcore.com. This video has covered the steps for downloading event logs from the Sapphire infusion pump using the Event Viewer software. For more information on the Event Viewer, please refer to the instructions for use or contact us at service@qcore.com.